Hello everybody, welcome back to Blaney Biker. It's been a while. You can see I'm on the 2025 Z900 from Kawasaki. This is the bike I'm thinking of buying for myself as my next bike. It will be my first 4-cylinder engine. So far comfortable, good weight, good feel, good torque. Nothing really to complain about. Very nice quick shifter, and you know, you look when you sit on the bike, it feels like quite sporty. It's comfortable, but it feels quite sporty, I think because the screen is relatively low down. So, and you see this IMU as well. Got it in sport mode. And yeah, very comfortable bike. So let's get it back out on the road. Kawasaki, let the good times roll. Yep, nice. Now I'm not sure what colour I want to get, whether I want to get it in black, where the 2026 has this bit is in black as well, or have it in green where it's got some green accents here on the tank. This is green, the front cowl is green, and the back is green. So I'm not really sure, and I can't see the colours because I don't have them yet, but I have been told that my bike, which I believe I actually ordered green and then changed my mind to black, so one of them is coming probably black, is coming to East London Kawasaki. I think it's next Wednesday, so I'll come again and have a look at it. If I did get this, whichever colour, I'll be changing these missing brakes to the Brembo High Pures. I don't know if I'll be changing the suspension, might as well just keep it black. I mean, I don't take it to the track, and having owned a bike that has had O-lins and, you know, suspension, don't really know if I notice a difference. So yeah, I may not change the suspension, but very likely that I do change the front brakes into the best and latest Brembo High Pure calipers. But yeah, very nice bike, of course, as I said. So yeah, it's got all I need, and it's very well priced as well. I think Yamaha have recently lowered their price on the MT09, both the standard and the SP versions, by about £200 to try and compete with this bike and with the Honda Hornet. But yeah, this is a very nice bike. I've always liked the Z900s, and I would have got it instead of the 09 you know, 4 or 5 years ago, but it didn't have the best electronics at the time. It didn't have the cruise control, which was essential and is essential for me because I like to go touring, and I need to have the cruise control. The rear seat seems like it would be comfortable for a passenger because yeah, it looks big. Doesn't seem like it would be too uncomfortable, but yeah, I also will be doing, you know, 2-up riding as well on occasion, so yeah, gotta make sure both seats are comfortable. didn't care, did he? Went straight through the red. So on purpose. Maybe there's tickets for that, eh? They do. Headed into Ilford now. Ilford town, look. Turns on the torquey. Really good commuter bike used to be, and really fine for touring as well. And obviously a very renowned brand as well. Have no issues with reliability there. Turn around. Turn back around, otherwise we will be heading all the way back into central London. Maybe we can, who knows, let's try. Perfect amount of torque to get you out of trouble. we don't want to head through Ratwell Tunnel because we've got to pay now, even with motorbikes. So I want to start heading back in the other direction, back towards Ilford. Having a very nice time, very much enjoy this bike and the sound of it. Love how smooth it is with the controls and how comfortable yet sporty. Really giving the MT09 a run for its money. And I'm also becoming a motorcycle instructor, doing my training for that. So this will be a good bike for me to commute to work on. Just doing that part-time. I also do finance. But yeah, this will be really quite the road bike commuting. Red light. So yeah, sporty like. There's a right turn further up the road. And we're back. Kawasaki, let the good times roll. That was a good time. Good time.